They tell stories about how the old people used to live. How we all once stayed together and everyone knew their own days.
Many years have passed, their words remain in my heart, and the pain stays deep inside me.
May God protect them, their family and children. I pray for them. May God watch over my loved one. I do not ask for riches, give health to the elderly so we can stay together. That is true.
Life has changed, the old people have been forgotten. Only good words remain about them.
And when I remember them, my heart cries.
Their voices are no longer heard, but they still